Good day, everyone. I am Francis Enrique P. Barlinan of Child Jesus of Prague School. Child Jesus of Prague School aims to give a high standard of education towards students, and that is why they are giving you this. Our topic is all about circles. Hello, and I am glad to welcome you. First and foremost, what is a circle? A circle is a set of all points that are of the same distance from a given point in the plane. So it's basically when points form a circle shape, and then when you connect those dots, they form a circle. Next up, what are the parts of the circle? Let's take a look. The parts of the circle include the radius, the chord, the diameter, the interior of the circle, the exterior of the circle, and it also includes the minor arc, the major arc, the semicircle, and the central angle. So, here is the sample of the parts of the circle. The part 1, which only includes radius, chord, diameter, interior of the circle, and exterior of the circle. So, we will define all of these terms and I will show to you where they are located in the circle. So, for the radius, it is a line segment from the center to any point of the circle. So, X is the circle, that is the name of the circle. The circle is named after its center point. So, an example of the radius is dx and another is ax because they are line segments from the circle to any point of the circle. Next up is the chord, a segment whose endpoints both lie on the circle. So, a chord is a segment whose endpoints lie on a circle. So it's like this line segment EE. They lie in the circle, their endpoints are in the circle. So next up we have the diameter. It is a chord that passes through the center of the circle. So this is a chord. The chord is line segment AB because it passes between the center point of the circle, which is X. Next up, we have the interior of the circle. So these are the set of points inside the circle that the distance away from the center of the circle is less. So the examples of this are point G and point F. They are inside the circle, hence the name interior of the circle. And vice versa for the exterior of the circle. They are the set of points outside the circle that are the distance away from the circle. The center of the circle is less, so that is point H and point I. Now let's move on to the second part of the circle. Here is part 2 of the parts of the circle. We have the minor arc, the major arc, the semicircle, and the central angle. Let's start first with the central angle. The central angle is here, O. Angle O. Angle O is equal to 45 degrees. This is just an example. The central angle is not always the value of 45 degrees. The minor arc. The minor arc is basically the one, this is A and B. As you can see, the points form an arc here, AB. So this is called arc AB. You should always remember that the value of the minor arc is always equivalent to its central angle. Hence, the reason why the central angle and arc AB are both the value of 45 degrees. Now for the major arc. The major arc is basically 360 degrees minus the value of the minor arc. So we will calculate 360 minus 45 is 315 degrees. So C is the major arc, which has a value of 315 degrees. And lastly, we have the semicircle. The semicircle basically forms 180 degrees. So it basically splits the circle in half, which is shown right here. It's split half. It is split in half, so basically it is 180 degrees. Now we will move on to solving the parts of the circle which involves the minor arc, major arc, semicircle, and central angle. So here is the problem. Line segment BC is a diameter of circle E. Find the following: measurement of angle AOB, measurement of arc CD, measurement of angle AOC and AOD, and arc CDA. So first, we will combine these terms. These are the given 7x minus 4 and 2x minus 4, hence the reason this. Then we will transpose and combine like terms. So just put together 7x and 2x and you will get 9x. We will equate it to a 180 because line segment BC forms a semicircle. So that is equal to 180. Then transpose positive 4 and negative 4. They will change the sign, but it will not affect because they are already opposite signs. So it's 180 minus 4 plus 4. So if we simplify, 7x plus 2x is 9x, 180 minus 4 plus 4 is 180 as well. So we will divide both sides by 9 and we will get 20. Then we will substitute the given value of x to 2x plus 4 and 7x minus 4. So 2 times 20 is 40 plus 4 is 44 degrees. So that is the value of arc AC. We already got the value of arc AC. Then we will substitute to the other equation, 7x minus 4. So 7 times 20 minus 4 is equal to 136 degrees. So the measurement, there's actually a typographical error. Measurement of arc CD means CB. I just did the wrong, it's just a wrong typographical error. So never mind that. CD is really CB. Okay. The measurement of angle A, there's another typographical error. AOB should be AE. So the measurement of angle AEB is basically 2x plus 4, which we already got the value of 44 degrees, plus the measurement of arc CB. As you can see, we should apply here the rule wherein the central angle is equal to the arc. So this forms a right angle, which means 90 degrees. So that means the measurement of arc CD is already 90 degrees. Now we will measure the angle of AEC. So that we already have solved for that. 44 degrees. The measurement of angle AOB is basically 44 plus 90, which is 134 degrees. Now we will move on to the measurement of angle AED. Angle AED is already here, 136 degrees, because we have already solved for that. Now we will solve for arc CDA. That is basically CBA. I have so many typographical errors. I'm very sorry for that. So basically, the sphere, it stands from C to B to D and to A. So a simpler way to solve this is basically, we all know that circles have a circumference of 360 degrees. So the value of this is not included in arc CDA. In arc CBA, this is not included. So basically, we will just subtract 360 degrees minus 44 degrees. Then we get 316 degrees. So that is the value of CDA. Now we are done solving for the parts of the circle. I hope that you have learned something, and I hope that you stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for listening to me. As I end this discussion of mine, I would like to remind you all that our life is a circle. That no matter how much progress we make, we all end in the same way. So I am here to inspire you that our life is a circle. No matter the size or the shape of that specific circle or our life, we all end in the same way. So do not compare yourself to the progress of others, because we will all make progress. We all end in the same way. and we all will be loved, and we will all love ourselves. So thank you for watching. I hope you stay safe, and I hope you stay healthy in this time of pandemic. Thank you for watching.